In my today's tutorial, I will show you how to make this beautiful floral clay art necklace, and it is really very easy. Hi, I'm Shabori from hooktoloops.com. I make various kind of crafts tutorials in my channel. So please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications, and don't forget to like, share and comment. So let's begin. We will use air dry clay. I have used the fevicryl mouldit as the air dry clay, and I have used equal quantity of the resin base and the hardener and mixed them properly using some talcum powder. We will mix them until the mixture is completely white and uniform. So our clay dough is ready, and we will take small portion from it. And we will be making small petals. So cut out equal portions of clay from this roll of dough and take each portion from a teardrop shape and flatten it into a shape of petal as I am showing you. So each flower will contain a total of 5 petals, and we will place them in the form of flower like this. And then we will press the central portion using some clay tool in this manner to form a small hollow-like shape, and one flower is ready. You can make some impressions on the petals if you wish for the realistic effect. And we will place small buds in the central portion of the flower. So make small balls with the clay and place them at the center in this manner. So it's ready. In this manner we will be making a total of 3 flowers. It's up to you how many flowers you want to make. I make small holes in the small balls using the compass needle. So you can hold the petals for the realistic effect and let them dry for at least 3 hours so that it hardens up. We will be making small buds, so for that we will take small clay balls and cut them at the central portion using some wire cutter in this manner. I hope you understood it, so let me show this to you again. Take a small ball of clay slightly pointed at the lower portion and cut it at the center in this manner and spread the petals of the bud. Take the ball and cut it in the central portion in this manner so that it contains 4 petals. Okay, and spread the petals if you wish. Okay, it's ready. We will now be making small leaves. For that, take the clay dough and give it a leaf-like shape. Spread some talcum powder on the surface and place your leaf. Now for the leaf impression, I have used an original leaf and placed it on top of the clay dough and pressed it on the top using your finger or any clay tool, and just take out the leaf as I'm showing you, and it's ready. Just cut out the extra portion of the leaf if you wish, in this manner with some knife, and in the same manner we will be making as many number of leaves as we want for our necklace. Okay, let me show this to you again. Take the clay dough and give it a leaf-like shape and place it on top of the surface. Then take the leaf and press it and take out the leaf, and the impression is done. So it's ready. So we will be making small circular buds. So I made many circular balls like this with the clay and allowed my clay work to dry at least for 3 hours. In the meantime, I took a cardboard and gave it a shape in this manner, and then on top of it I just spreaded my clay dough and pressed it in order to cover the entire cardboard surface. In this manner. And later on I just smoothen the surface using a little bit of water on the fingertip, and then I just made 2 holes on the top portion through which we will be passing the necklace jewelry. Or the necklace cord. Okay, so make 2 holes. Make sure the holes are big enough. So the surface is also ready, and we will place the clay flowers and leaves on top of it one by one and see how it looks on the surface. And then one by one we will stick our clay pieces on top of the surface using the fevicryl glue. So we have stuck all our clay portions on top of the surface, and we will allow our work to dry for 3 hours until it dries up and hardens up. So finally our clay work is ready. We will now paint on top of it. At first we will paint our work with white colored acrylic paint. So we will paint it completely white. The white color will act as the primer. We will allow it to dry up, and then we will start painting on it based on our imagination. So it's ready. Now we are painting on it. So now the painting part is based on your own imagination. So enjoy your painting part, and I will meet you at the end of the painting. Our clay locket is done. I added a layer of wood gloss on top of it. I have used the wood shine wood gloss for this glossy effect and protecting my acrylic colors. Then we will pass a cord through the holes present on the top portion of the locket. And finally, we will decorate our neck piece with some thread beads that I prepared myself. You will get the tutorial on making these in my old videos, so check them out. And finally, our beautiful clay neck piece is ready. It is really bright, colorful, easy to make. I hope you liked this tutorial and it was easy for you to follow. If you like this tutorial, then please hit the like button, comment in the comment section for any queries. Also mention if you want to see any other kind of videos. I will make those for you. And please subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.